County in central New Mexico, southeastern Sandoval County in north-central New Mexico, Bernalillo County in central New Mexico, west central Torrance County in central New Mexico, until 12:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 11:36 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Rio Rancho to near Berlin, moving 35 miles per hour. Hazard: poor visibility in snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect hazardous road conditions. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 146 and 176. Interstate 25 between mile markers 185 and 260. Highway 550 between mile markers 1 and 15. Locations impacted include Albuquerque, Rio Rancho, Valencia, Los Lunas, Corrales, Bernalillo, Berlin, Los Ranchos de Albuquerque, Bosque Farms, and Peralta. Avoid or delay travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. Slow down and turn on headlights. The visibility will suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Forecast for the Middle Rio Grande WXJ33, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.5.